This video explains how NetDocs works in the Brave web browser. Now, the Brave web browser is based off of Google Chrome, just like Microsoft Edge is based off of Google Chrome. So, couple things. There was an update that came out sometime at the end of 2025 that basically broke NetDocs in Chrome, Edge, and we can say Brave. Now there's an easy fix. Once you log into the NetDocs, this is the US site. If you're in Canada or Germany, you're in the site. If you click here, you want to turn this on like this, okay? Which will allow this web page to integrate with apps on the device. That is step one that you will have to do. You will need to reload Brave afterwards. Step two is we want to come over to the shields here and make sure the shields are down. We do not want the shields up. The shields need to be down, okay? You have to get that to work as well. Now the other thing here is once you do that, you probably want to install, and there's a link in this article here. Now I already have it, so I could remove it. Yours would say install the Chrome extension. The Chrome extension allows you to either intercept downloads. So if you have a PDF and you're downloading it to your computer, NetDocs will pop. Or if you're uploading documents, you click upload or browse, NetDocs will pop. So you're choosing from NetDocs in your local computer. So you can get Brave to work like Edge and Chrome, but you just have to follow these 3 steps.